Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Prose. The title of the prose is A Visit from Distant Lands. Children, anyone has visited your house? Any people or vegetables or fruits have visited your house? Yes, I hope that someone has visited your family. Not only one person, many have visited. So, in this prose, there are 4 characters: Mani, that is Selvi's brother, Mani's father, and Mani's mother. The last comes Selvi, Mani's sister. These are the 4 characters we see in this prose. So, you see, children, this is a Sench village, a small village. They live as a happy family. Very happy they are. They are very united, helping each other and having a happy family life. This is the village called Senji. Mani's family lived in a village near Senji in Viluppuram district. Where they are living? They are living in a small village, that is Senji. It is in Viluppuram district. You all know where is this district? Mani liked only few vegetables. Few vegetables means 2-3 kind of vegetables only he liked. Potatoes and lady's finger were the 2 that he liked very much. He liked very much potatoes. I think so you all also will like the potatoes. And he liked lady's finger too. These 2 vegetables he liked very much. When you like the vegetables so much, you will like to have every day, isn't it, children? In the same way, Mani liked very few vegetables. In that few vegetables, potatoes and lady's finger were the very much he liked. One day, when Amma served potato curry, one day mummy is serving potato curry. Mother is serving potato curry to him. Then he replies, I don't want to eat potatoes today because they are foreign vegetables. So he is telling to Amma, don't serve me potato curry today because they are foreign vegetables. I don't want to eat. You see, children, he likes so much the potatoes, but today he is saying that I don't want to eat because they are foreign vegetables. What is the meaning of foreign, children? Belongs to other country. No, they are not. Amma bought them from the vegetable shop near the bus stop. So here Selvi is replying that it has not come foreign. Mother has brought from the market, from the vegetable shop. It is near the bus stop. You don't know? Mani, you don't know? Mummy has brought from the market, from the vegetable shop. It has not come foreign. And it is near the bus stop. The vegetable shop is near the bus stop. And mummy has brought from there. How do you know that it has come from foreign? No. It has come from our country only. So mummy has brought it. Appa, Selvi is too small to understand that potatoes are not from India. So what? Our teacher told us that we should buy and eat locally grown food. So he is telling to father, we have to eat the vegetables that are grown locally. Locally means in our villages, in our district, in our state and in our country. She also told us to use things made in our country. What we do, children, nowadays? Most of the things we use that are brought from other country. What else did your teacher tell you? Here we see that and we use it. The things that are brought from other country. And what we do, whatever we cultivate or whatever we prepare, all those things we export to another country. And from other country we purchase the things and we use it. And we like to so much. From other country things, oh, this is brought from foreign. We are very happy to say. But she also told us to use things made in our country. Our country is India. So we have to use those things. So what else did your teacher tell you? And you cannot order tomato soup either. So she has told not even you can order tomato soup or even pineapple juice. Not only tomato soup, even pineapple juice. See children, now what he will feel? He likes so much and we cannot have it. Tomato soup and the pineapple juice. Now I hope you will not stop drinking it, isn't? Because you like so much, no children? Now your mouth will be watering to have this tomato soup and the pineapple juice. Because you like so much the pineapple juice, isn't it children? Then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. Oh, mother is telling you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. When we go to watch a movie, we try to eat something to munch it, isn't it children? In order to pass our time, to spend our time in watching movie. So we go to theater or the other places, we purchase popcorn or some other food and we eat it. So mother is telling, then you cannot eat popcorn the next time we go to watch a movie. Money, then you can't order anything. Now he is feeling bad because he likes and she likes. Why? Why can't I eat popcorn or soup or anything that I want to? Don't you know that corn, tomatoes and even lady's finger all came from other countries? So mother is telling, don't you know that corn, tomatoes and lady's fingers all came from other countries? Really? How did they come to our country, Amma? Did they get on an aeroplane and come here? No. Some merchants brought them here long ago by sea. What is the meaning of merchants, children? People who trade. Why did they bring vegetables to India? He is telling merchants have brought these things to India by sea. Earlier, aeroplanes and so on, it was not there. They have to come through sea route. Amma and Appa laughed. They could have brought some sweets. Why didn't they? So, Selvi is saying that they could have brought some sweets. Why they brought the vegetables? Because children like sweets very much, isn't it children? Now you will be watching all these and you will be feeling to have it, isn't it children? These sweets. People came to India in search of spices, especially black pepper. A man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. So they came to search of spices, especially the black pepper. Look at the picture, children. This is called the black pepper. All these are called the spices. So, here a man from Portugal named Vasco da Gama sailed to Kerala. Sailed means what? Traveled in a boat or ship. So, came by boat or ship to Kerala to purchase the black pepper. Imagine the joy of the sailors when they reached Kozhikode and found black pepper. When he came to Kozhikode, he found the black pepper. They took a lot of peppers back to their country. So he found the black pepper in Kozhikode and he is taking all those peppers to his country. Because they don't have in Portugal, there is no black pepper. So he sailed to India, that is to Kerala, Kozhikode, and he found there is black pepper. So he is taking to his country by boat or ship only. Sailing by boat or ship. They took spices from India. What they took? They took spices from India. Yes, but who brought the vegetables into India? He is asking, Mani is asking. Yes, but who brought vegetables into India? The Portuguese brought them to India. Potato was one of those vegetables. They brought those vegetables to India. One of them was the potato. Not only potato they brought it to India, but other vegetables also they brought. The Portuguese only brought those things to India, and one among them was potato. Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Wow! This potato has travelled so far. Now Mani and Selvi looked at the potato curry on their plates and quickly began to eat it. Very happily they started to eat it because the potato has travelled from other country. See, so excited they were. Wow! This potato has travelled so far. Careful, Selvi, don't upset a foreign visitor. What is the meaning of foreign visitor? Foreign? Belong to other country. Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry. Now Selvi is pulling out a long chilli out of the curry. You know how chilli spice is. No, children. It will be very much pungent. You cannot eat alone. Who? Who is a foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. She is asking who? Who is a foreign visitor? Amma, you are making fun of me. Selvi is asking. No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chilli. So, this chilli is a foreign fruit. No, Amma is not making fun. She is talking about the foreign fruit chilli. So, Selvi pulled a long green chilli out of the curry and she started to express it. Chilies were very popular in South America, but no one else in the world knew of this spice fruit. This is from South Africa, but no one knows about it. No one, that is, no other world was knew about it. One day, a sailor named Christopher Columbus sailed to South America. He is from Spain, but he is traveling to South America. This sailor was actually looking for India. He wanted to come to India, but he landed in South America, traveled to South America. He wanted to buy black pepper. What he wanted to buy, children? He wanted to buy black pepper. Instead, he found South America and the Chile. So he wanted to come to India but landed to South America, and he found South America and the Chile. By all means, he wanted black pepper, but he landed in South America and found Chile. How sad for Columbus. Selvi is saying, how sad for Columbus, because he was aimed at black pepper and now he got chili. It was a little sad, but because he went to South America, he found the chili. It was something sad, but went to South America and he found chili. It was as spicy as the black pepper, equal to black pepper. Even black pepper is spicy and the chili also is spicy. And so Christopher Columbus packed the chili and took it back to his country with him. When he was sailing back to his country, he packed chili and he carried it to his country. But how did it come here? Now Mani is asking how the chili reached to our country. Chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. So, chili was one of the things that the Portuguese brought to India. Now, we Indians did not bring to India, but the Portuguese brought to India. Chilies nowadays the chilies are cultivated more in Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu. So, now the chilies are also grown in our country, and very specially in our state. In India, chili was first brought into Goa, and the people there learned to use this new spice in their cooking. Before the entry of chilies, pepper was used in cooking. So in India, especially in Goa, they were using black pepper. Pepper were using. But once the chili reached to that state, that is in Goa, they were using, instead of pepper, they were using chilies for cooking. Do you know, children, chilies were first known as Kovai Mirchi. Mirchi in Hindi. Soon there were many different kinds of chilies. Now you can see in the market also, even at home, your parents will be buying many kinds of chilies. Some were long and thin, and some were fat and stubby. People in India and Sri Lanka began to use these in their cooking. Soon it spread to many other parts of the world. See, those foreigners brought those chili to India. Now it is spread all through the world. There are different kinds of chili. Not only what is brought for a fish curry or any other vegetables, but there are many kinds of chilies. Long, thin, fat, spicy and not spicy. All these kinds are there. Selvi and Mani looked at the chili on their plate. Now, Selvi and Mani, they are looking at the chilies on their plate. Some of you like, no, children? This is chilies. And how you make a food delicious? They are saying, chili, you are making a food delicious. What a long distance you have travelled. They are saying you have travelled from long distance. They shouted and quickly took a bite of the chili. To waste you would be very bad, and so we are going to eat you. Ah, it's hot and spicy. They took the chili and bit it. What happens? It's very spicy. So they are saying, ah, it's hot and spicy. Children, after this class, you take a chili and bite and see what will be your reaction. You also will say the same. For the glossary, first one, foreign, belongs to other country. Second, merchants, people who trade. Third, sailed, traveled in a boat or ship. Fourth, adventurous, brave and thick. Fifth, popular, well known. Sixth, delicious, tasty. So, dear children, learn these meanings. In the book, there are some more meanings. Please learn. And for your evaluation, there are some questions that I will send you. Learn the meanings and the question answers, and also whatever is needed to mark it in your textbook, please mark it and write the fair copy in your notebook. When I tell you to send the answers, you have to send the fair copy and the notes that has been written in the rough note too. Whatever is required in the textbook to be marked, please mark. It's very, very important. Now here are some questions. Who first brought these vegetables to India? You know, children, who brought it. Who came to India from Portugal in search of pepper? If you have listened the lesson, you know who has brought the pepper. What did Amma mean when she said tomatoes, lady's finger and corn came from other countries? So children, thank you very much.